Hello and welcome to my channel JEE Maths PYQs. If JEE Maths feels difficult, you are in the right place. Here we simplify important PYQs with easy explanations and step-by-step solutions to build speed and confidence. Let's get started with today's topic. Today's topic is sequence and series. This question is about mixed AP and GP progression, and this question or similar questions appeared in JEE Main 2024 and 23. In the question, x1, x2, x3 and x4 are in geometric progression when each of them is subtracted by 2, 7, 9 and 5 respectively from them, then the resulting numbers become in arithmetic progression. As such, we have to find value of this quantity. Simple question, simple solution. x1, x2, x3 and x4 are given to be in a GP. Therefore, we will assume x1 equals a, x2 equals ar, x3 equals ar square and x4 ar cube, where a is the first term of the GP and r the common ratio. Now when each of them is subtracted by 2, 7, 9 and 5 respectively, we will get the numbers as a minus 2, ar minus 7, ar square minus 9 and ar cube minus 5. Now these new numbers are in AP. For an AP, we know that the difference between a term and its previous term is constant. So here common difference D will be second term ar minus 7 minus the first term minus a plus 2 ar minus a minus 5. Also common difference D is difference between this third term ar square minus 9 minus this second term ar plus 7. That will be ar square minus ar minus 2. Also difference between this fourth term and this third term ar cube minus 5 minus ar square plus 9, which is ar cube minus ar square plus 4. Now we will equate this first difference and the second difference. Ar minus a minus 5 equals ar square minus ar minus 2. Ar square minus 2ar plus a equals minus 3. A into r square minus 2r plus 1 equals minus 3. We name this 1. Now we will equate the second difference and the third difference. Ar square minus ar minus 2 equals ar cube minus ar square plus 4. Ar cube minus 2ar plus ar equals minus 6. Ar into r square minus 2r plus 1 equals minus 6. We name this 2. Now we divide this 2 by this 1. ar into r square minus 2r plus 1 upon a into r square minus 2r plus 1 equals minus 6 upon minus 3, 2. Here we can cancel this a and this bracket, giving us r equals 2. Putting in a into r square is 4 minus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 equals minus 3, giving us a equals minus 3. Now we write the four numbers. x1 is a minus 3, x2 is ar minus 3 into 2 minus 6, x3 is ar square minus 3 into 2 square minus 12 and x4 ar cube minus 3 into 2 cube minus 24. Finally, we will calculate 1 by 24 into x1, x2, x3 and x4. That will be minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 12 into minus 24 upon 24. Cancelling 24, 18 into 12, 216. Hence, the correct answer option here is D, 216. This one here. I hope this video helped you understand the concept more clearly. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share and Subscribe to JEE Maths PYQs for more simple and effective JEE Maths walkthroughs. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing.